What I think that set me apart for my first co-op job is my cover letter. I was able to highlight my work with women in science engineering. As for co-op experience in general, even though school you learn a few things, I do think at your job you learn the most as a co-op student. It taught me a lot of soft skills, technical skills, interview skills. So that was very important. It makes my resume look really nice. I am very grateful for all that experience.
My first co-op was in 2019. I did a summer in civil engineering, a GHD, and honestly, it set me up pretty well to know what I want and what I don't want to do. It was a very much intensive job that I did, but it got me excited to the field itself in geotechnical and tunneling, and it introduced me to other fields other than just the streamlined geotech.
I would say, first of all, do not be afraid or shy to message people because they can really help you out. You have to build those connections. For me, I was not afraid to cold message one of the CTOs and I asked them for the role and about the opportunity, and that allowed me to make those connections, use my network, and then land an interview in 3 days. You can learn so many skills from your co-op that can help you land your next co-op.